So you have just completed your CPL, and but what's next? That's your real question. And let me be very, very, very honest with you. Most people don't even know what to do after the CPL, and this is where the real competition starts. So, hi guys, this is Aarti Wadhwa, and I'm currently going through this whole airline selection process myself. And so, whatever I'm telling you, it's not a theory, it's not nothing, it's the reality, it's the real process. And in this video, I'll be breaking down all the journey after the CPL. It's like whether it be the written exam to adapt to group discussion and all the personal interview thing. Okay, so the first thing that comes is the written exam, and I'm telling you guys this जो भी मैं चीज़ें बता रही हूँ, it's like a common thing जो एलियन सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस में होती हैं. There can be some things which can differ, किसी में adapt होता है, किसी में नहीं होता, but I'm gonna tell you like commonly जो भी इंडियन एयरलाइंस हैं, गुड एयरलाइंस हैं, उनमें क्या सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस होता है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स इज द रिटन एग्जाम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, like this is where like 50% of the crowd is eliminated. Okay, 50% of the crowd is filtered out. And why? Because people think CPL हो गया, अब क्या? And honestly, I'm telling you, while even going through the CPL, people don't study that much, right? And that's a reality, because in India you can't. If you also have the time, there's a lot of things that go on in the flying schools, and honestly you can't study that much about all your CPL subjects. So about metrics, nav नहीं पढ़ते ज़्यादातर बच्चे. And here your most of the technical knowledge is tested. सारा कुछ you have to study all of the concept you studied in your CPL, and कुछ extra concepts be like auto flight and everything you have to study for this written exam part, because you can't expect the paper. You can just go through everything of your CPL, सारे subjects, सारे ground subjects, and the external knowledge about थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें in the flight, and you're good to go. The first thing that comes is the written exam. Okay, so guys, I'm telling you about like just after the CPL you got your license, and after the CPL, not after the type rating thing. So I'll explain all the process after the CPL. So yeah, first of all, there'll be the written exam. They'll test your technical knowledge and everything. This is like the first impression you get. Like if you're not prepared for that. Okay, I got for my written exam, I got a very less time. Even most of the people got very less time. It was just 20 days or something, 20 to 25 days. And if you're not prepared, just prepare yourself thoroughly. If you're not prepared for that, you don't reach the next step, and that's really heartbreaking, honestly. So yeah, first thing is written exam, and the second thing that'll come is the adapt test. Adapt, like now comes the most talked stage about, because adapt is basically a psychometric cognitive test, right? But it feels like a game. It's like you'll see the hand-eye coordination thing. You have to do hand-eye coordination thing, multitasking thing, reaction-based thing, situational awareness. Your psychometry is tested. Your personality is tested. At first, you'll feel really confused, and second time you'll start improving. Okay, basically I'll tell you, it's a multitasking thing. A lot of मतलब screens में different games होंगी, या फिर एक paper भी दिया जाएगा. You have to complete like 300 something kind of questions for that. Your personality is tested, and games may you have to do multitasking. They'll test how you actually perform under pressure, how you actually do the multitasking thing. So this is the next step, and honestly people do take classes for that. Yeah, people do take classes for that to get prepared themselves. Like it basically includes the reasoning, the decision making, advanced cognitive test, and 98 to 95% people actually clear the adapt. Like they take classes, they get guided by the institutes, good instructors, and they pass the exam. It's just like you don't have to panic, and just stay calm, focused, and consistent, and that's what. Yeah, then second thing is adapt, and the third thing that comes is the group discussion round. In that your personality is tested. Now is where we enter the real judgment zone, honestly. Like you'll be divided into groups of 5 6 candidates. Like जो adapt में clear हो जाएगा, there'll be mail आएगी for the GD round. ठीक है? Now like the panel will include the HR, the senior captain, the psychologist, and the ground instructor. Psychologist होएगा या तो ground instructor, and they'll just be listening to you guys say. They're observing, they see how you think. They judge you basically. You'll be given like different type of topics like aviation case studies, debatable topics about the aviation or apart from aviation, and the survival scenarios, real life scenarios, a lot of things. What they are testing is basically the CRM. CRM is crew resource management. They're testing your CRM, your communication skills with the crew, your leadership qualities, your decision making skills, how you perform under the pressure, how you perform, how you do you actually respect others. They're testing your personality basically. And you have to prepare yourself for a group discussion. Obviously, like, you don't have to dominate other people, you don't have to panic. First of all, you don't have to sit silent in like emergency situations as well. You this is they should know your personality, right? They should know, like, in group discussion basically you have to be balanced and sharp, not too overrated, not too underrated. Like, you have to maintain that balance, you have to respect people, you have to maintain your decorum, you have to maintain your personality. This is what they actually test. And the most important part also comes in that they obviously test your appearance as well. Appearance tips could be like you about your all the suit, how you dress yourself, tie, proper grooming, and hair neatly tied on the day of at least the group discussion. So you're neat about your part, you're neat about your personality, like, because you're not just a student now, because you're presenting yourself as a future pilot to them. So you must be properly groomed, dressed. And I really want you guys to know that a lot of people, a lot of crowd gets eliminated in group discussion round. So you guys should be well prepared for that GD. You guys can take classes for group discussion, personal interview round classes are also conducted by a good known, well known instructor. So you can take classes and you're good to go. You have to present yourself and don't be harsh to the people. Maintain the CRM. So yeah, now the fourth round that comes is personal interview. It's like the final round that you go through. Now comes the final stage. Like, this is where everything comes together, right? Like, they'll ask you the technical question, HR questions, situational based questions, mental maths, and honestly, people are too stressed about it. And obviously they should be because they are judging you personally. उनको written exam में तुम्हारी personality जानने का मौका नहीं मिला है 1 to 1. In adapt they were actually testing your multitasking, how you perform. In GD they were actually seeing your CRM, but they don't know you personally. So fourth round will be basically the personal interview round. Now they'll know you personally, like, they'll judge your personality, judge how you talk, how hungry are you for the actual job that you're going to get interviewed for, and how well do you know the airline you're getting. First of all, HR question includes a lot of airline things, and you have to prepare yourself. When once you get into it, you'll get the actual situation what happens. I'm telling you, like, ऊपर ऊपर से, but yeah, you have to prepare for the airline you're getting for the interview, and you how you handle the pressure. They'll ask you the mental maths question. The actual thing, you don't have to bluff, you have to be yourself. If you don't know something, say it honestly, that I'll study about it, I don't know it right now, I'll study about it. Because pilots are trusted with life. Like, not fake the confidence, do not fake the actual. If you're not much confident, yeah, you should pretend to be a little confident, but don't be very underconfident. Because you have to, if you are underconfident, then just develop your personality. Because you have to, because you when you are the actual pilot, you're actually keeping lives of a lot of people in your hands. So you have to be good with your decision making, you have to be good with your personality, how you maintain the CRM. You don't debate in the cockpit and everything. So they should know you in and out. The airline that is hiring you should know you in and out. So this is where you're tested, and once you clear the personal interview, then you're good to go. Like, airline will conduct you for type rating and further airline processes. But this is how it starts and how it ends. Yeah, after CPL, it's not over. Like, you have different airline. If you want to get into airline, there are different processes: written, adapt, GDPI, and everything, and a complete transformation process. And only those who make it, like, you're not just a good pilot, trust me, you're like a good decision maker, honestly. And मैं तुम्हें बता रही हूँ, मैंने सारे process clear नहीं किए अभी. I'm into the process, I'm preparing myself. And yeah, I have the confidence, little bit confidence, थोड़ा ज़्यादा confidence, that I'll prepare myself enough that I'm really confident and I can really showcase my personality, and I can communicate, and I'll make good decision, I guess. Yeah, I will. So yeah, वैसे wish me like good luck in the comments. So yeah, I really wanted to share the information with you guys. And Like, I'm also in this journey right now, and I genuinely hope everything goes well. If you're preparing for this, just remember this: they are not looking for the perfect people. They're actually looking for the people who can listen to them, who are like trainable. They can train them with the aircrafts. They can think like, you are the responsible guys and you are the real people. Um, they can get in the airlines basically, and that can only happen when you being you. Simple, that's it. And if this video helped you guys, and I'll make sure, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to the video. And if you want real aviation content, then stay tuned for the video. And I really liked, enjoyed making this video. बहुत धूप है यहाँ पे, but मेरे को बनानी थी ये video. So yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.